Hello students, myself Rohini Athre from SNJV Chandwad. In our today's video, we have learned about the how to study the family. You are familiar this word family. In our second chapter systematics, you have learned about the taxon and categories. In the classification of plants, they are classified on the basis of their kingdom, division, class, subclass, order, family, genus, species. Okay, a word is there which is known as family. Okay, now in previous syllabus there are three families for our study: family Solanaceae, family Liliaceae, and family Fabaceae. But due to COVID-19, most of the syllabus, at about 25 syllabus, was deleted due to COVID-19 corona, and a single family is remained in our this chapter morphology of flowering plant, which is known as family Solanaceae. Okay, in this video we are going to learn how to study the family. Okay, for study of family, a plant is given to all of you in practical as well as in theory paper. Then now you have to note down the vegetative characters and floral characters from that plant. Okay, various morphological characters like vegetative characters and floral characters, they are studied for the study of family. Then according to the numbers of calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium, a formula can be noted down by using certain symbols, which is known as floral formula, and a diagram is drawn on the basis of their arrangement, which is known as floral diagram. Here certain symbols are there which is used for study of floral formula and floral diagrams, like BR, it is known for the bracteate, K is known for calyx, C is known for, it is used for corolla, P for perianth, A for androecium, G for gynoecium. Then about gynoecium, if a underline is there below the G, then it is known as superior ovary, and then if underline is placed above the G, then it is known as inferior ovary. Then certain symbols are there for male and female, and if flower is bisexual, then it is gets united as bisexual term. Then there are two terms on the basis of their symmetry: actinomorphic and zygomorphic. Okay, now we are going to study the family Solanaceae. First of all, we have learned the vegetative characters. Vegetative characters means the study of root, stem and leaves. Okay, means entire plant body except flower, and the flower is studied under the heading floral characters. First one is vegetative characters. Plants are mostly herbs, few are shrubs, and rarely they are small trees. Stem is herbaceous, woody, aerial. Aerial means it is formed in air, not underground. It is erect, cylindrical, branch, solid or hollow. It having certain hairs, and in case of potato, exception is there, stem is underground. Leaves are alternate, simple, or in rare condition it is pinnately compound, exstipulate, and venation is reticulate. Then floral characters means study of flowers. In case of Datura alba, in case of Dutra, it is found in solitary condition. Solitary means having a single flower. Axillary or cymodes, flower is bisexual, having androecium and gynoecium in a same flower. It is actinomorphic, means can be divided into two parts by any plane. Actinomorphic symmetry. Then calyx, sepals are 5, united, persistent with volvate estivation. Corolla, petals are 5, united with volvate estivation. Stamens are 5, they are epipetalous. Now concentrate on epipetalous. In floral formula it is used. Then gynoecium with bicarpellary syncarpous superior ovary. Fruits are berry or capsule-like and seeds are endospermic. Now look at the floral formula. First symbol is with bisexual flower. Then K for calyx, and it is 5 in number, and it is note with in a bracket condition. Bracket indicates the fused condition. Corolla are also 5. They are also present in a bracket. Androecium stamens are 5 and they are free, and hence there is absence of bracket. G underline is there, means gynoecium ovary is superior, and they are 2 in number, and they are also in fused condition or in syncarpous condition, and hence a bracket is there. Okay, means it indicates the floral formula. Then economic importance are there, like they are used for the source of food, like potato, tomato, brinjal, chilies. They are used in spices. Some plants are for medicinal purpose, like tobacco plant is used as fumigatory, and certain plants are used for the ornamental uses. Look at the picture. This is the diagram for the Datura alba, Dotraचं plant आहे हे. Look at the diagrams. It in calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. All the floral whorls are given there, and the last diagram F, it indicates the floral diagram. Outermost circle is calyx, green in color, 5 in numbers, and they are fused with each other. Second circle indicates the corolla. They are also fused with each other, and then 5 stalks are there which are androecium. They are arised from the petals, and hence it is known as epipetalous. And then innermost circle is there which is a gynoecium, or which is a ovary, which is a bicarpellary ovary. Okay, in this video we have learned about the family Solanaceae. Now you have to write all the notes from this and from our textbook. Okay.